Hey there, beauties. Today, I'm super excited to share with you a little secret on how to achieve those luscious, healthy, and shiny locks naturally. Yup, you heard me right. No need for expensive treatments or products that promise the moon but deliver nothing. We're talking about simple, natural methods that can give your hair the TLC it deserves. So, what's the secret sauce? Well, it's none other than, drumroll please, coconut oil. Yep, that's right. This magical elixir straight from Mother Nature herself can work wonders for your hair. Now, let me break it down for you. Coconut oil is packed with all sorts of goodness like vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids that your hair simply adores. Not only does it moisturize your strands like nobody's business, but it also helps to strengthen your hair from the roots to the tips, preventing breakage and split ends. But wait, there's more. Coconut oil is like a superhero when it comes to promoting hair growth. It penetrates deep into the hair follicles, nourishing them from within and stimulating growth. Say goodbye to those pesky hair fall problems and hello to a thicker, fuller mane. Alright, so how do you use this magic potion? It's super easy, my friends. Just warm up some coconut oil in your hands until it's nice and liquidy. Then massage it gently into your scalp and work it through your hair from root to tip. Leave it on for a good hour or even overnight if you're feeling fancy. Then wash it out with your regular shampoo. Voila! You'll be left with hair that's softer, shinier, and healthier than ever before. So there you have it, folks. The secret to getting those gorgeous, healthy, and shiny locks naturally is right at your fingertips. Or should I say, in your pantry. Give coconut oil a try and let me know how it works wonders for you. Until next time, stay fabulous.